fabulous. Why are we whispering? Wow.
Welcome from Dainytes series.
Welcome back, guys. So it's another vlog, and what we thought today to do is
Another day, another vlog.
to show you our latest purchases.
I love that we match them.
I know, it's so true. I feel like it's very, they compatible and complement each other. But
No,
anyway,
we're gonna keep it.
we're gonna keep it. I mean, like, it is what it is, guys.
That is the price you pay of being person who speaks more than 3 languages.
Exactly. I don't speak properly in any language,
Yeah, me
forgive
neither,
me, but
so
here it is. Christmas is coming, and we thought we're gonna share and see, maybe you're gonna get some inspiration.
You start because yours is way more exciting.
Okay, more exciting.
And yours is more like a fancy pansy.
I'm sharing you something. I love handbags. So when I, love handbags, shoes.
Okay, everyone knows that. Get it.
Get it out
No
of your
one
system.
cares. Everyone wants
I
to
ordered,
see.
it arrived yesterday.
Let me hold this.
Okay, you hold it, babes. You hold it. Oh, sorry.
Okay, thanks, I guess.
Okay, your assistant, please open.
So, da-da-da, please, drums.
Okay, it is Victoria Beckham. I don't have anything from her, so this is the first purchase.
I don't have
Okay.
anything from her. This is my third.
No. And
Oh, cute!
you love it?
I did not expect it to be so small.
Yes, because I really wanted something small so I can carry it across the shoulder and also in the hand. I love this design, and the reason why is because you can have it with a long strap or
I'm confused. Where's the long strap?
long strap is in
Oh.
the box. Hold on. Sorry, I'll get
One of this forgot to add it.
No.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
cute.
look.
Look, it matches you so much.
It's ivory cream. It's called Victoria Beckham Dorian bag. It's almost like I feel like it has this feminine and masculine vibe. And
Yeah,
what
it's
I
a
love
mix.
is the handle, because you can wear it without a long strap and make it a little bit more night out fancy. I love when the handbags are versatile. Or you put this down, you see, it just disappears, and you have it as a clutch. Also, sorry, hold it,
You know
darling.
what I like?
What
I
do you
like the black lining.
Even
look,
like it has a beautiful colorways for
What's
these
her name?
handbags. I don't know. It's called Dorian because it was inspired. You know what? She was inspired.
If you can call her Dorian.
Dorian. So David Beckham apparently gave it to her like this very masculine, almost like a luggage kind of type vibe. It's beautiful, and I got it with the 25% discount as well in Farfetch. Guys, take a look. They have different colorways. You will probably see me wearing this, and maybe we're gonna show you later.
Definitely.
Eva, your turn.
Well,
Great Christmas present.
You took just 5 minutes to explain the bag. I'm gonna be really quick. So I was looking for something really nice to wear at work for like shoes, because all my shoes have a tiny heel. I run a lot and I love to walk in the morning, grab my coffee and stuff like that. So I need something nice, chic, stylish, but comfortable. So meet my new babies.
Oh, this is cute.
Right.
I love the front.
So
I love
it
it's
has
the
a
square.
heel, still really good support. However, it's not too high. It's 5 centimeters, and it's the square front.
Love
which
it.
I love so much, and I think this looks actually really good with my outfit now. I'm gonna wear it.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah,
And
let's
we
try.
can show how you look like. Yeah, we are showing the shoes. All right. To be honest, I really love all your look.
Kyra, get the pole out.
Look at the shoes. So good, no? Turn around.
I really like it.
Love it.
It gives a bit of like a funky,
Okay.
edgy vibe.
Yeah.
you know? And it's not black, it's brown.
Yes, it is brown. I really love the color. And this is not the first shoes we have from this brand.
Yes, I love it. It's a Swiss brand, I think.
Yeah, it's Vagabond, guys. Good price point, and the quality is really amazing. I feel like we deserve, it's just Saturday reward, Christmas vibes.
Are you actually talking about buying something new?
No, because I just bought a bag, so. but I feel like maybe we can pop in somewhere fabulous.
And pop something. Like champagne, you mean?
Maybe I feel like the
You paying because I waited for you. Why we are whispering? It's just water. It's a holy water. We decided to drink a holy water now. Look at this painting.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go. We are going to the new Bond Street to see all the lights, as we kind of intended to, but then Martinez got us distracted. But it was so good, so good.
Guilty as charged.
It's okay.
I don't know, we like every single vlog we do on the weekend we end up with like drinking alcohol.
But
No, and we don't drink during week, so just give us a credit and sorry for posting so many alcoholic videos, but it's just a Saturday. That's when we hang out and that's when we have our alcoholic date.
It's true. It's alcoholic date.
So we came to New Bond Street for lights and there are no lights.
So
apparently they moved it to 14.
But still it's beautiful because they have a Christmas trees up. We're gonna film it in a second, but we don't want to film it too much. It's a lot of people and it's really annoying. So look how beautiful